And we have some breaking news coming in at top of this hour as far as the farmers' deadlock is concerned. The meeting has ended after almost 5 hours. This was the 11th round of talks between the farmers and the government that has now ended after 5 hours of discussion. At this point, according to our reporters, the meeting has remained inconclusive. The meeting had started at around 12 noon this afternoon and it continued for about 5 hours and it remained inconclusive yet again. This has been the 11th round of talks. Meanwhile, the centre had in fact proposed a further stay of 1.5 years in front of the farmers, which they had declined. And now, according to sources, they had also proposed a period of 3 years for the stay to remain. But at this stage, the farmers are also refusing to call off Republic Day tractor rally. Let's go across to my colleague Piyush now joining us with more on this. Piyush, the 11th round of talks also remain inconclusive now.
Well, indeed, the 11th round of talks have also remained inconclusive. Right now, we are right outside Vigyan Bhavan. Let me also try to show you pictures any minute from now. The farmers will be coming out. What we are learning is that it has been inconclusive. The government had once again proposed to put these farm laws on hold. And after that, the government had also said that it will talk after putting these all these farm laws on hold with all these stakeholders, including all the farmer union leaders. But the farmers have made it very clear that they want that all these farm laws should be taken back, and that's the only point which they put forth. Any minute from now, the farmers will be coming out, and then we will also be talking to them about this development, because what we are picking is that the meeting remained inconclusive. Meeting went on for at least 5 hours, which and during the meeting we also saw that how initially the government once again proposed to go into the kind of proposal which was sent out by the government, the olive branch which was extended by the government of putting these farm laws on hold for a limited period of time. But the farmers remained adamant, and they had made it very clear that they want that these farm laws should be taken back and a law on MSP should be enacted. Let me once again try to show you the pictures. Any minute from now, the farmers will be coming out, and when they come out, we'll again try to talk to them and try to understand as to what will be the next course of action. They are very much adamant also on taking out the tractors march. The farmers have made it very clear that they will take out tractors march. At the same time, the Delhi police is also trying to trying to talk to the farmers and tell them that they should not take this out. But the farmers are very much adamant on that, and the meeting has now come to an end. Any minute from now, the farmers will be coming out. Richa.
In fact, Piyush, today is day 58 of the agitation, and you have been reporting from day one from the border areas. The farmers remain adamant as far as their stand is concerned. They want the laws to be taken back. But at the same time, is there a middle ground that can be achieved now that once again the talks have remained inconclusive? And the Delhi police, they have another concern of the tractor rally that they have set to take out on January 26, which they remain adamant with.
Well, absolutely, they remain adamant, and during the meet itself, they have made it very clear that the farmers will take out this tractor rally on the 26th of January. But the Delhi police is again and again telling them that it could potentially create a law and order situation, and that's why they want that farmers must not take it out. Remember that initially they had planned to take it out on 4th of this month, but then they postponed it to 26th of January, looking at the kind of preparations which the government had done for Republic Day parade. So they want to give out a message to government that they will be protesting till the time the government does not take back these farm laws. Right now, as we are speaking, the meeting has officially come to an end, and when they come out, we'll again try to talk to farmers and we'll try to understand from them as to what are their demands, how are now they going to continue their protest, though they have made it very clear that they will take out tractor rally to intensify their protest. Remember that when the 6th round of talks had taken place, at that time itself the farmers had started preparing for this tractor march, and now they are very much ready. Farmers from different parts of Punjab and Haryana have already gathered, and more tractors are now coming here. When we also spoke to Rakesh Tikkat, he said that few farmers from UP, even they are now heading to the Ghazipur border, and they will be also taking part in that tractor march. So the problem continues to be there, standoff continues to be there, and the government again tried to, pacify the
situation. In fact, Piyush, we have some more news coming in that at this stage oppose the meeting that remains inconclusive, this 11th round of talks. News coming in that for the next round of meeting, no date at this stage has been fixed by the centre. The government is, according to sources, telling unions that all possible options have been given to them and now they will have to internally discuss the proposal of suspending the laws or not, and whether or not they accept that 1.5-year proposal as well.
Well, indeed, we are getting some information from within the sources is that the government told inside to farmers. I am reading from the message which I have got from the sources is that the government today told the farmers that the government is very much thankful to farmers for their cooperation till now. What we are also looking is that the government has told farmers that the government that they could not take any decision, and if government reaches out on a decision, then it will tell to farmers as to what would government would take decision. The government also has not reached on a decision. What we are thinking is that the government would intimate farmers after taking a decision. At the same time, the government has also told them that we will talk about it further. As of now, the government has not decided any date, which certainly is now indicating that since standoff continue to take place, the government has told to farmers that the government has not decided anything. No dates have been decided. The next date would be decided only after government takes a decision. That's a big development coming in that, now the talks remain inconclusive. And now what we are picking from our sources within the meeting is that the government has not given any date to farmers. In fact, government has told them that government would tell farmers or tell them about the next round of meeting after the government takes a decision. Now the farmers are coming out. Let's try to show you visuals. Farmers are now coming out. Any minute from now, they will be coming out. You can see that a farmer is now there. He has now come out, and very soon other farmers will also be coming out. But latest what we are picking, the big development coming in is that the government has not given any date for further discussion. In fact, the government has said that it will tell to farmers about the next round of meeting after taking a decision. Very big development coming in is that the government has not decided anything as of now, and it will intimate about the next course of discussion with farmers after taking a decision. That's what we are picking in the end. The meeting remained inconclusive. 11th round of meeting remained inconclusive. We are continuously focusing on the exit gate of Vigyan Bhavan, from where farmers will be coming out, and shortly ministers will also be speaking to us from the gate number 1, where media is already there, where the ministers will come out and they will also tell us as to what would be the government's strategy. But the government has told to farmers that government as of now has not decided anything. In fact, the government has thanked farmers for their cooperation till now and would let them know about the further course of action in coming few days after the government takes a decision. That's a big development coming in. We'll have to see as to how the things proceed from here further. But the 11th round of meetings remain inconclusive. We also saw as to how when the farmers had come here in the morning at around 12, they had categorically said that they are here to ask that from the government to repeal all these farm laws. At the same time, they were also demanding that government must enact a law on MSP. So there are certain demands with which the government, with which the farmers had come here. Right now, as we are speaking, any minute from now, the farmers might come out, and then we'll try to talk to farmers and try to understand as to what are their plans from now on. What we are picking is that they will continue with the tractor rally, they will intensify their agitation, and at the same time, they would again press for the demand of, repealing of these farm laws. Any minute from now, they will be coming out. When they come out, we'll try to talk to them and try to understand the further strategy of farmers. But there are 2 to 3 developments which are now coming out. A, 11th round of meeting remains inconclusive. B, the government is going to give next round of date of talks with farmers after taking a decision. And at the same time, the government has also thanked farmers for their cooperation till now. So we'll have to wait and watch as to what farmers tell us when they
So
come
Piyush,
out.
we
and
are
what
getting in
government
more
is also
source-based
going to
information
address.
coming
Media
in
will
from
be able
the
to know
meeting
about
that happened just now of Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar, also telling Union government that they are ready for another round of meeting with the farmers and if they want to discuss the proposal on suspension of the law. So at this point, the government maintains their stand, and that's the reason they have not initiated or given out another date for a meeting.
Well, in fact, Richa, this is what we are given to understand is that the Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar has also once again asked farmers to focus on discussing the suspending of these farm laws for a limited period of time. And this has been the stand of government since the last meeting. Remember, when last meeting had come to an end, the government had proposed to farmers that it is ready to put these farm laws on hold for a year or 1.5 years. After that, farmers held a meeting there at Singhu border for at least 6 hours, where they decided that they reject the proposal of farmer. And today, when they reached here at 12, they intimate the same to the government. And now, what we are picking right now is that the government is now telling to farmers is that it is ready to have talks with farmers on the proposal of suspending these farm laws when they decide something on that. But the farmers have already rejected that. In fact, what we can tell to our viewers that now stalemate continues. The stalemate continues. There is no breakthrough. Farmers continue to gather there at Singhu border, Tikri border. And then what we are picking is that they will also continue with their tractor rally, which they had proposed to the government, though Delhi police has refused permission. And now this is going to create some sort of headache for the Delhi police and also Haryana police and Punjab police, because they have to look into the law and order situation. Though Delhi police has been maintaining that it could create a law and order situation, but the farmers are saying that they would not take law in their hands, but still they should be allowed to take out a tractor rally. We saw a farmer coming out. Now he has again gone back. So we can expect him to come out in a short while from now, and the farmers might leave. What we are learning is that the talks remain inconclusive. At the same time, the government has again proposed to farmers that it will talk to them and will give the next date of talks to the farmers after farmers decide as to how they are going to talk to government on suspension of these farm laws, putting these farm laws on hold. Government had already proposed to put these farm laws on hold for a limited time of period, which was rejected by the farmers. They are coming.
In fact, Piyush, we have some more information coming in from the meeting. Okay.
Richa, the farmers are coming.
Yeah,
we can see them coming. There are a good number of farmers who are now coming out from the Vigyan Bhavan. We'll talk to them itself. They are now coming right outside Vigyan Bhavan. Let's try to talk to farmers as to what they have to say. Surendra Singh Rawat is continuously showing you the pictures from right outside Vigyan Bhavan. When farmers reach here, we'll try to talk to them. We'll try to understand from them as to what kind of decision have they taken. But what we are given to understand is that the 11th round of talks remain inconclusive. The government has told to them that it will give the next round of talk, next date of having talks after the farmers decide to discuss on suspension on these farm laws. You can see farmers are now standing there. All the 41 farmer union leaders, they have now come out. They are standing there, and when they come out, we'll try to talk to them. They are also raising their hands. They are now coming out. We know that the talks remained inconclusive. We'll try to talk to farmers as to what kind of decision have they taken. In fact, 11th round of talks remain inconclusive. You can see that now farmers are coming out. Let's try to talk to them and try to understand as to what they have to say, because it's important to hear their voice also. सर क्या हुआ आज
की मीटिंग बेसिटा रही है।
अच्छा,
और सरकार बात करने से भाग गई।
नहीं तो अब बातचीत नहीं होगी।
बातचीत खत्म होगी।
बातचीत खत्म हो गई।
कोई तारीख नहीं,
अगली कोई तारीख नहीं।
कोई तारीख नहीं।
सरकार ने क्या अब
सरकार बोल रही है कि जो हमने आपको प्रपोजल दी है उसको मानो, उस पर सलाह करो, और उसके बाद जब तुम्हारे पास टाइम होगा हमारे पास आ जाए।
तो अब मतलब अब अगली बैठक कोई नहीं, कब होगी नहीं पता है।
कोई पता
या आज की बैठक अब खत्म हो गई, सरकार और आपके बीच बातचीत नहीं होगी।
खत्म होगी बातचीत।
अब कोई बातचीत
नहीं होगी।
5 घंटे की बातचीत में क्या
कैसे खत्म होगा?
5 घंटे की बातचीत नहीं हुई, 18 मिनट 20 पहले हुई है और 10 मिनट बाद में हुई है। उसके पहले सरकार गायब थी। अब जब बातचीत हुई है तो एक ही बात उन्होंने बताई है कि हम पहली जो आपको प्रपोजल दिया है उसी पे गौर करें।
कोई नया प्रपोजल सरकार नहीं दी।
नया प्रपोजल कोई सरकार ने नहीं दिया। जो पहले वाला है 1.5 साल वाला 2 साल वाला वही है, उसके बाद नया प्रपोजल कोई नहीं।
और वो आप लोग नहीं मानेंगे?
वो इसको बिल्कुल नहीं मानेंगे। जो हमने बात रखी है अपनी रद्द करने की वही बरकरार है।
ये
सरकार ने ये कहा
सबका फैसला है या आप लोग सब ने
एक संयुक्त मोर्चे का फैसला,
ये पूरा सबका फैसला?
सबका फैसला,
किसानों में कोई मतभेद नहीं है ना?
कोई मतभेद नहीं, एक मुठ है।
क्या सरकार ने ये कहा कि जो ड्यूरेशन है 1.5 साल से और ज्यादा बढ़ाने के लिए तैयार है सरकार?
नहीं, अभी कुछ नहीं कहा। साल 1.5 साल 2 साल के वही रुकी है, इसके बाद नहीं रुकी।
कोई नहीं, अब आगे की क्या रणनीति होगी?
आगे की राजनीति हमारा संघर्ष चालू है, आंदोलन पूरा कायम है। अपनी 26 की तैयारी करेंगे।
26 जनवरी की परेड चलेगी?
26 जनवरी की परेड चलेगी।
कैसी ट्रैक्टर मार्च अब निकालेंगे ये
बिल्कुल कन्फर्म निकालेंगे। इससे बात से पीछे नहीं हटेंगे हम।
पुलिस समझाने की कोशिश कर रही है कि ना करें ऐसा।
कुछ नहीं, हम अपनी बात पे डटे हुए हैं, हम परेड करेंगे।
क्या आगे सवाल ये है कि क्या आगे अभी अब सरकार से बात करने की तैयारी में है आप लोग? क्या आगे बात करेंगे?
नहीं, जब सरकार बुलाएगी हमको तो हम आने के लिए तैयार हैं।
आने के लिए तैयार है?
हाँ, जब सरकार बुलाएगी। ये बुलाएगी नहीं तो फिर हम नहीं
सरकार ने क्या कहा? अगली बातचीत किन मुद्दों पे करने की बात?
नहीं, इन मुद्दों का नहीं है। जो सरकार ने प्रपोजल दिया है, सरकार बोल रही है उसी बात पे रहो। मगर हमने बात को ठुकरा दिया है कि वो बात नहीं, नवी प्रपोजल लेके आओ। हमारा वही स्टैंड है कि हम कानून रद्द करवाएंगे।
नया प्रपोजल किस तरह का प्रपोजल आप चाहते हैं?
हम तो कहने कानून रद्द कराओ, MSP पे बात करो।